YouTube channel. In this video I will explain you how to configure bridge network on MikroTik router. Okay, in my last video I will explain you how to configure side to side tunnel between two MikroTik router. So if you are not check out, please reach out to my MikroTik playlist. I will also mention the playlist URL on my description. Correct. So let's see. So first we need to configure the MikroTik LAN, bridge LAN. You need to go to the bridge. Okay, then click on the bridge plus icon, click on this and type it the name of Bridge LAN. Okay, like this, and click apply on OK. Okay, after that you need to go to the IP tab and you need to configure the address for the Bridge LAN. You just go to the plus icon and add the IP address here, just like 192.168 to 100.1/24. Okay, and choose the interface here, Bridge LAN. Okay, apply and OK. After that you need to create a port for the Bridge LAN. So you just go to the port tab and click on the plus icon and add the bridge port on port number 2 and add the Bridge LAN. Okay, and apply and OK. So we have configured three things: first bridge, then address, and after that port. Now we need to create a DHCP pool for the Bridge LAN. Okay, so just go to the before going to the configure the DHCP, you just need to configure the net first. So I go to the IP and go to the firewall and click on masquerade net here. So net plus icon and action is masquerade and apply and OK. Okay, after that you need to go to the DHCP server and click on this DHCP and set up a DHCP setup. Click on this, choose the Ethernet like Bridge LAN, click on next. Same subnet we are using, next. Gateway we are using here. We can use the IP address from 22. I am using 2200 only for the testing purpose. You can use as per your requirement. Okay, so just click on next, then send the DHCP DNS. Okay, so I'm sharing the DNS here also, or you can add multiple DNS or like this. I'm also creating the DHCP DNS. I'm creating here. Now we have to do. So these DHCP I am sent out from the DHCP server. Next, lease and configure. Okay, now we are going to the checking the testing for this Bridge LAN is working or not. So I'm just go to my Windows machine like this. This is our Windows machine. Okay, so now I'm click on this. Just a minute, there is something to my Windows machine. I think it should be hang. Okay, so I'm just gonna let me start my new machine, because I think this machine should be shut down or something, reboot. I go to the machine and session push shutdown. Let me start my new machine for testing this Bridge LAN. Okay, so once this start, I will show you the configuration is perfectly configured fine or not. So guys, this machine our on. So my machine is on. So now I'm going to checking the IP address received from the MikroTik or not. So I'm just click on MCMD, click on this and go typing ipconfig/all. Okay, so this is we received the IP 100 from the DHCP server. Now I'm trying to ping Google. We are able to access internet or not from here. Okay, so now I am able to access the internet. There is something slow because I have not enough area for this machine, so it's taking some time to load any application, but for the testing purpose I am just show you it's working from our Bridge LAN network like this. Okay, so see this, the Google, we are able to access Google. So we are able to access the Google from our MikroTik router, and Cisco is also load because it's taking some time. Okay, so I'll show you the same IP address we receive from the ESCP server. This is a lease. So see this is 100.100. We have got the IP address as I show you. This is a Cisco website is load, so internet is working. Okay, so that's it in this video. I hope you like my video. If you like, please like, subscribe and comment on this video, on my video, and please reach out to my MikroTik playlist for more video, and also reach out to my FortiGate firewall and Sophos firewall playlist for if you interested any firewall course. Okay, so thank you so much for watching our video. Thank you so much.